Welcome back guys. To make the website, you must have the Bootstrap file, the font awesome file and the code editor. So what is code editor? Code editor is something where you will be writing your codes and which will make the final outcomes like this. Okay. So let's get started. First download the Bootstrap file. Write Bootstrap in Google, then go and download. So here comes the download area. One thing you must understand that you don't require source code or SAS files. Okay, just download the Bootstrap code file. It will be downloaded within few seconds just because the file size is 362 KB only. I'll be cutting it from here. Then paste here. Okay. So extract here again from the zip file. Here is the file. Let's have a look what is inside. CSS folder, fonts folder and JS folder. Rename it my page. Okay. So now again download the font also. Click here, download. Okay. So you can open it at the same procedure. Cut it from the download section and paste here in desktop. So extract it here again. So here comes the file. Okay. So delete it and copy all by selecting ctrl A plus C, then comes to my page and paste it here by ctrl V. Okay, so my code editor will be, I'll be delete this one. So here my code editor will be bracket. I love this code editor so much, so that I use this code editor. So now proceed. First make, or first you right click over the folder name, then open as bracket project. Here comes the project folder. Now make a web page like index.html. Okay, now we will need a CSS file, so you can write custom.css. Okay, so again go to the Bootstrap website. This is what I like the most about the Bootstrap is everything is given. You just need to pick that up and put in your code editor. So at getting started page, come at the last position almost, and here it is. Just copy this. Okay, just copy and paste it in index.html. Okay, look here the link is already set, that is link hyper reference to hyperlink reference to CSS. Here CSS is the folder name, and then under the folder bootstrap.min.css, here is CSS and it is bootstrap.min.css. so everything is given. What you need to do is to copy this and paste and edit this name as custom.css. Here it is, because this is your code CSS folder which needs to attach with that. Another one you need is fontawesome.css or fontawesome.min.css. So here comes again fontawesome.css and again fontawesome.min.css. Here it is. Now save that file. Whenever you work, just always save that file. Keep saving that file so that no file going to miss if the machine is going to close or something else. So let's check online. Here it is. Hello world is written. Okay, good. Now, what is we have to need? We need to do this portion at first. So again, go to the Get Bootstrap website. Now in CSS component, or just go to components, search for the Navbar. Okay. Now here it is. Just copy this. This is what I like the most. Everything is given from the very first navbar, header, footer. Everything is given by this framework Bootstrap. You just need to pick it up and edit in your code editor, as you can. So navbar always comes in under body area. So we will try to commenting here. In HTML, it is comment like this: exclamatory sign, then three dashes, then comment. What is it? Navbar section. So what does comment do? Comment actually helps you to understand what is the code written under these comments. And one thing is comment do not execute, or it never execute in any final project. Like this navbar section will never written in your final project. Okay. So under this navbar section, paste the name. Okay. Save it and check it online. So here comes. Okay. Here comes it is. Here is brand name. But you see the color is white, but in final project the color is black. So how would you do this? Just go at the top, change the neighbor default to from here, or you can see from here also. Everything is given here. Inverse it will, right? So I'll be saying here it is. To get the black color, you need to write the default as inverse. So save it and check it online. Okay, so here it comes. It's very good, very good. So you can see it. Okay, now we don't require this all. Okay, so go change your brand name to. I'll change my brand name to my brand name, but you put your name. Okay, I super code. Okay, and then you will have this is left portion, right? How do you understand this is left portion? You'll understand because here the link, the current link action, here it is left portion. So delete this. You don't need form. Form is basically the search bar. You don't need it now. And here is the right portion. So we don't need the drop down button. We'll delete this also. Here you write home. You can copy several times. How many times will you copy? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times you have to copy this. Home, about, sorry, first come project, check, about, and contact. Okay, save it, and rename. Okay, will come in later. Now, check. Here comes it is. Don't worry about this bright color and this is not bright. Okay, so we will think about it later. First, So to think this is here the icons. So go to font awesome, icons, click here icons. So this is home, right home, here it is. Open a new tab, copy the entire code and paste it before the home, okay, and make a space between them. So and you can erase that. This is not required, or you may remain this as you wish. So here now project is basically, I need to see what's the project element to us. Project th menu, okay, so again written right here th menu. Here comes this, again copy that, paste it here and erase it. Okay, so if you want to see, now if you don't give any space between the word and the font file, then what is going to be happen? So let's check. Here comes, you give a space and it will be looking like this. If you do not, it will be looking like this is ugly and this is great. So we're, we all are great, so we going to make a project which will be looking great, okay. And then about is, I know, ID badge or badge something, yeah, here it is. Copy, paste and erase this. And for contact, sorry, for contact envelope, here it is. Delete this. Here, check it out. Okay, so here comes it is. Don't bother about the colors of icon. I will come it after some time. So look, it is look like same. So now Navbar is completed. Okay, so I will collapse this. Again, after the Navbar, name it section 1. Okay, so in section 1, open division, ID, section 1, close. Give a class container fluid. Okay, you will be understand or understood to what is container fluid after some time. Now first that, go ahead. Here section 1. Now come to CSS, right? Section 1. First of all, I will copy a image file from my previous page so that I will get all that image file. Okay, so cut here, paste image. This is our header site image. Okay, now right in section 1, background, Okay, so one thing I must tell you that when you write id at css folder or file, you must specify like this. When you give class, you must specify like this. So here it is written as id, so I will write this and I will remove this. Okay, now background image url sorry, go to image file and compute. Give it height 600 px, and the other I can say padding top 200 px. Let's look what will make so far. There it is. You can see. So what is container float? Okay, container float. This is container float means the page will be look like the full page, right? So here it is. When you here looks like this. When you zoom it, look like this. And if you given this, so look here. This is the basically the difference between container and container float. So I'll go for container float, and you see what the this gap is too much, and when you zoom out the page, it will be looking like this. So what we need is background size 100% and 100%. So 100% will be applying through the width and 100% will be applying through the height. Here you look, here it is. Wow, fine, it's looking fine. Heading control. So again we have to come here, container view section 1. Then another thing you have must look that in this web page, here the bar remain fixed, but here the bar not remain fixed. So go to here, open the nav again. What has happened? Go to Bootstrap. See how the navbar remain fixed. Oh, fixed. Everything is correct except top. Okay. So now look here. You see it is looking nice. Now again custom editor. You see the full picture is still not showing. So what we will do? Margin top 51 px. Okay. Now it is looking nice. It is really looking very nice. So go to your code editor. Here. Now, how to make this icon colorful? No. First of all, we need to write the code. Okay. So here is these are the written thing. Copy it open a p tag, class text center. Text center will make it a center wise text. Under the p tag, copy this, save it. Here it comes. So you can see this is black. Make it color white. Here it is. Now again, what we will do? Open a tag, href. Now I am giving s. After that I will edit it again. Write it. Project. Come here. Section 1 a. I'm telling you or telling here that is under section 1 where the A has write like this. Color will be white or is blue, whatever you want. Padding 50 px. Background color orange. See here. Here it is come. So again give it a class. Write it text center. Here what you will get after writing the text center. Something is not working. Why? Text center, text center. Mm, okay, one thing you can do, open a div, cut the A tag from here, paste it here, cut the class, paste it here. Again, see what, here it is. It is now looking nice. You can write BR. BR will make a break between two paragraphs. Here it is. Border reduce 15 px. Here comes this. Oh, it's looking very nice. Now the color of the icons. Go open Navbar. In this section, pick it up, or you can again write as giving a class like icons. Okay, copy and paste. Copy, paste. What designers are really doing fun while coding is we always copy something and paste twice and more than twice. It is very fun actually. Whatever, write color yellow. Now look, here comes this. It is looking very nice. So next project you will start working on project folder or project section. After that about and contact. So hope you guys have enjoyed and learned so much from this. Get back to you next time. Thank you for